Alright there, viewers. We got a cold front coming through here through Middle Tennessee. So the temps are going to be dropping today. We got rain that started about 8 o'clock this morning. So I covered up the bicycle here with a tarp so I don't get all wet there. So you can see my Alps Mountaineering Lynx 2-person tent here with the beautiful dark teal color rainfly, which I like a lot. Very nice. So we got rain coming down, like a light drippy rain, I call it. So here's the bicycle here. Here's the tent. I'm going to go back in here. I don't want to get all wet. So this is going to be a wet day. Then it's going to turn cold. I think there's about a little bit of dust in the snow too. Maybe. Is this up here? Oh, I got it. Okay, I'm back. I had a pee. Make a pee break. Pee break, pee break. Yes, I did. These fingernails on it. Yeah, it's getting colder though. It was in the 50s, but early this morning, and it's dropping though. You can feel it. So let's go down to the 30s here. So I guess Middle Tennessee, we're getting our first real cold front here. Cold snap. It is winter, so middle of January here. Today's the 14th day, so. All right, did it, I think. We need to go, yeah. A lot of hobby eats here, too, so we got hobby eats, we got crime. A lot of crime. So I don't want to be around no criminals, yeah. So yeah, I'm running low on money again, like cash. I did visit the Indian buffet a few times, I guess you could say, just to have healthy food in me, you know. My money's kind of running low, so my brother can't send me anything because his truck died. Can't work at that. And plus he froze out too. Ohio's very cold now, and all the gutters are froze up, so even if he had a vehicle, can't do anything. So don't forget to donate to my PayPal. That kind of keeps me alive, you know. Until I find work here. I'm trying to find something here, you know, like actual work. It's tough though, you know. It's very tough, you know. I don't know anything, you know, so that's what makes it tough. See if I can get working here, I could save some money if I want to go back to the Wi-Fi thing. Even if we don't always think to look for it, you know, but she's still my wife, so I just have to learn to deal with her ways, I guess, which is not always fun, but sometimes it isn't. It's very difficult. See, here I'm very poor, but there they think I'm rich, you know, like rich, loaded with cash. So that's the problem, you know. They think I'm rich, you know. So it's just not the case at all, you know. I could just dole out cash, you know, like candy or chocolates, you know. It just don't work that way. They don't understand that. They have no comprehension of stuff like that here. So I guess we're supposed to get some snow in the eastern part. You can see up on the Cumberland Plateau, which is higher elevation than it's east of here. A little bit of snow up there, maybe an inch or two up there. But here it's just, I mean, maybe some flurries. Temps drop throughout the afternoon here, the evening. So this tent has been doing pretty good though. Just a basic, it's not a fancy tent at all. I guess Alps Mountaineering is a name brand now, but it's kind of a budget type tent, you know. But it seems to be doing okay. It's not perfect, but I'm pretty pleased with it. Okay, that's it now, viewers. I'm gonna get off here. Get back in my sleeping bag. We're gonna have a couple days of colder weather here, but then eventually we'll bounce back up. It always does, you know. It's just we got a cold front, like a strong cold front coming from the north. The northern states are going to be affected far worse than the Middle Tennessee. So thank you.